Okay, and Five Below, you guys, these are $7 now. Remember, they used to be 5. So this is a new Five Below. They don't have a lot of clothing here, but we have a Lucky, you have the short, the skirt, the cherry one. That would be really cute, you know. A swimsuit cover up or not a swimsuit cover up. This one has more like the tennis skirt style. These are going to be 7, and they also have the red. I like the red with the little lace trim. I'm not a fan of the bow though, and these striped pants. So if you're into striped pants like this, you might want to head to Ross, because Ross you'll get a set. Like you'll get the top and striped set at Ross. And they have pink, Snoopy with the bow. These are like sport bras. This one's really cute though on the pajama. They're like little blueberries on it. Those are 7. That ties in the front. The bear. Hey, this could match these. These are really cute, right? And the strawberry one. I do like the polka dot. The polka dot's really cute. Also, have you seen these little tote bags? I know you can find these in Hobby Lobby. They're 7 here. I'm not too sure how much they are in Hobby Lobby, but then you could decorate them, put many patches on it. We have the peanut one, the alien. Let's see, they have it in red too. Let's see, clear bag, pink and blue. This little short, this one has little flowers. The striped one is really cute. Look at the lace at the bottom. And these heart ones, it kind of remind me of a sweater vibe going on. Ooh, the brown and the heart, that is adorable too. There's SpongeBob and Shrek. They're always going to have that. Lightning McQueen, a strawberry shortcake, and Bluey. Okay, we have Pitbull, Whitney Houston. My daughter's at that Pitbull concert. I wanted to go, but I was like, whatever, live it up. Sean Paul, my gosh. Sean Paul, I grew up on Sean Paul. I don't even know if he does shows anymore. Let's see, Invader Zim, Looney Tunes, Heaven Made, Rock Bottom. My Alone Time is for everyone's safety. Brittany, the hamster one, is still here. I Tolerate You, this is who you're being mean to. Standing on Business, the cat one, kind of funny over there. They also have these bags, very similar to another brand you can find at TJ Maxx. I don't know what the brand is, but they're like a dupe for it. These are 7. This tote bag. These are really cute with the polka dot. You have little nude ones here, all in white. We have quite a bit of selection of nails. I'm not too sure how well they hold up though. One with a little heart. Here's a blue one. It's a glow getter. You get the glow oil, glow stick, and shimmer body oil. And Happy Space. These are like, for pimples. Under your eye, glowing. You also have hydrating, foldable eyebrow shapers, and your headband. I like the cloud one. It's really cute. They have a cute little frog one and kind of like a teddy bear. I did find overnight face masks, collagen, brighten. You only get 3 in here for 5. Wow, 3 for 5? Okay, that's kind of a rip-off. Because you get a little more than that in TJ Maxx, and you spend about $5. Like by the creme shop, you might as well just go there. Just being real. Deep Dew, Bounce Up. These are overnight. Okay, what do you get in here? Peeling gel. You know what? I've seen this at TJ Maxx. Wash off. You have strawberry peach. You get 10 in here. I did find toner pads. These are Bright Side. Again, the brand Spa Life. Dewdrop, Bounce Back, Rinse and Shine, Brightening Under Eye Mask. Okay, depuffing. These might work because they're under eye, and you just put them in the fridge. So I feel like no matter like what you get, it should work. It's gonna depuff your eye. Cream moisturizer, dewy, and then bounce boost. Banana milk. That sounds really interesting. Banana rice and walnut shell. Strawberry matcha. Huh. It's like a little cute body scrub. Okay. Same over here. Made in Korea. These are going to be lotion. Strawberry matcha and banana milk. I haven't seen these caddies, but a little beauty organizer. I feel like if you're a lippy person, this could be good to store all your lip balms underneath your cabinet. That's something my daughter would use. We have like these organizers, but they barely get used. So I feel like just toss everything in that. A 5-piece plumping gloss set. Okay, 100% vegan. This is more like contour, like color corrector, highlighter, cuticle oil collection, a lip vault. You get the oils and the lip gloss. Hello Kitty lip smacker. You know what, lip smacker used to do those dollar deals. I don't even know if they still do that, but they had like dollar deals on their website. See, Do You gentle cleanser. I mean, the packaging's cute. Hydrating mask with pearls. Okay, these are $5. A glow getter, glow drop. Again, you're gonna have to try it. Let's see, what is this one over here? Oh, bounce. Okay, face cream. So these bottles are glass. I mean, I do like the glass jars. Firm believer, skin. Let's see what this one is. Melt my day. Melt my day. And then, let me see, body butter. And then this one over here. I think those are going to be new. What is down here? Flawless. Okay. Glossed up dry body oil. They're all glass too. That's perfume. Hydrating toner. Kind of looks like a milky toner. These are all $5. So there's some new stuff in Five Below. You just need to come try it out. Like we have pistachio dream here and forbidden cherry. Let's see. Brat, Hogwarts, Stranger Things, Poppin' Bottles, Poppin' Ranch. That's kind of funny. This one doesn't have as much funny ones. Okay, we had the SpongeBob, Snoopy, this round, the little shoe, the boots. So funny. The bow, look at the Aristocat strawberry shortcake and these little cute pouches in here. Danger Zone claws. Okay, yeah. Oh, what is that? It's like a little squeezy worm. Oh, interesting. Just kind of found that randomly. The dumpling and the chip. Again, you guys, if you love this cute kawaii stuff, head on to TJ Maxx and Marshall's. You could get 2 for $6. This pickle one's kind of funny. Look at the little butt. Too bad it don't squeak. A little squeaky butt. That'd be kind of funny. Fries. You have the duck in here. These are magnets. Okay, if you need any. Okay, look at this one. It's like a little paw. There's a surprise in the paw. Oh, you get like a cat fidget. Looks like a fidget. Oh, these are kind of cute. These little veggies. The little veggie guys. Adventure Time's still around. I don't see anything too new in blind bags. Like Rick and Morty. He's like, I don't know what this is, but every time I go to the mall, there's people dressed like this. And they carry these backpacks. I don't know what they are. Is it a show? An digital circus. But yeah, everywhere in the mall, people are dressed like that. And I was like, I don't know. Never seen it. Oh, they have little Funkos. So funny. I've never seen this show ever. Doesn't he look adorable? Even though I absolutely hate this movie, but he looks adorable. I'm just being real. Okay, we got tons of Britney in here. That's funny. They do have the weighted vest here. It's going to be $15 and the ball. And everything here is $7. For your wrist, there's $7. It's only a 2-pounder. 2-pounder, a punching bag. And they have pink dumbbells. Workout sliders. Okay, these are kind of cute. We have a lemon jumbo eraser and the cherry one. Candles are $5. Tied and True, the Beach Club. These ones have a little shell. You know, all these chairs. You know what? For being a new store, I really don't see anything too new. But they have these heart tables, which I feel like might be new. The heart-shaped one. And the metal cart, a 3-tier, is $20. They have it in white and black. They also have stools here. So if you are looking for the mare, the white one with the bow on it, they're going to be $25 if you need one. Maybe for your dorm room, Cape Cod, and they do have the gold ones up there. Alright you guys, I think this might do it for this Five Below. I mean, it is brand new, like I said before, but I feel like maybe they're still filling in because there's really not as much new items. I was hoping. I did go by the squishy area, and no matter what Five Below I go to, there's no squishies. Like, everyone just buys them like crazy. Alright you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Look, they got cornbread. Interesting.